Hazrat Moosa bin Huzn radiallahu anhu says, when the death time of Abu Talib neared him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to him while Abu Jahl was also along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O uncle, pronounce La ilaha illallah, so that I may say to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu something for the sake of this article of faith. Whereupon Abu Jahl and Abdullah bin Abi Umayyah said, O Abu Talib, will you repudiate Abdul Muttalib's religion? They kept on repeating it until Abu Talib uttered his last statement that he was on Abdul Muttalib's religion. So the Prophet ﷺ said, I will keep on asking forgiveness for him until I am prescribed to do so. Whereupon this verse was sent down. It is not worthy for the Prophet and the believers to ask forgiveness for the associators, even though they be relatives, after it has been made clear to them that they are men of hell. And this verse was also sent, undoubtedly this is not that you may guide whomsoever you like on your own accord. Yes, Allah guides whomsoever He wills. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3884.